Okay, Loop 4, this is what we're looking at. So we're inside the campgrounds at Johnson's Shut-In State Park. The campgrounds is huge. It's very big, but there's nobody here. This is the perfect time to come. What's the date today?
August
So
23rd.
kids go back to school, I think around mid-August, I guess, here. Where we live, it's September, or maybe they moved, I don't know. It depends on the school.
Yeah.
But
well,
Loop 4, we found it. I think we're going to be able to get a spot. Let's go. But I just wanted to say this place is huge, and it's nice. It's very nice. It's a shower house. There's running water. You can get sites with no power, no water. You can get sites with. You know, they cost different amounts, obviously.
this is vacant for 01 is
Okay,
vacant.
all right. So let's see. Probably don't want that one, right? These are all vacant. Look, vacant, vacant. Oh, that one's taken, or? All right, we'll see. All right, we got our site. Number 413.
For $13.
For $13. We were on the phone for about 15 minutes holding. But this is it, guys. No stranger danger tonight. Huh? Could be. Still, yeah, you're right. You're right. So we're allowed to have a fire or not?
I thought she said
I can't remember. I don't pay attention. Yeah, probably not. So there's a trail back here? Oh my gosh, I just walked through a huge spider web. No. Hate spiders. Alright, I'm going back.
trying to inflate the inner tube.
Don't laugh at this inner tube either, guys. It was cheap. Okay, that's what I got so far. It's pretty pathetic, I know. But I was just noticing something that's interesting here, that being able to set this cooler down and lift up the lid and see in it and rummage around in it is something that it seems like such a small thing, but we haven't been able to do that this whole trip. What do we do, Son? I go, it's a team effort, right? So I have to go, I have to hold the thing. I pick it up out of the car and I hold it, and then Sonia flips the lid open and gets everything through it.
Yeah.
And then when we put stuff back in it, same thing. But
Yeah.
just me being able to come over here, open the lid, get in here, have access to it is such a stupid, easy thing, but it's different. It's better. It's just all these little things add up. All these little things add up. But it is kind of nice to be able to also sit down at a table as nice as this table is. Someone's getting in on the action. This place even has showers. There's 3 of them just for the loop that we're in, and I think there's a total of 5 loops. Let's see. Check out the okay. See what they look like. All right. I mean, it's kind of dark. Not the best shower head, but better than nothing. And there's 3 of them.
You turn on the light, there's a light there.
Oh, I didn't know. I thought it was just kind of dark.
It's a little bit dark.
You might want it to be a little dark in there, actually.
No, like even the bathroom, like I think I saw that in the comments that their bathroom could use a little bit more light. But I mean,
Little picnic area over there.
why would you want to go there when you have a picnic table on your own site?
I don't know. Don't know, but there's plenty of space. There's plenty of open grass. There's a bunny over there. Let's go say hi.
If you're gonna run away.
I don't know. Who knows? Look at this little guy. This little guy eating some grass. Hi. Don't mind me. I'll stay on my side. You stay on yours. I love how they turn their head to look, because the eyes are on the side of their head. So like they turn their head to look at you. Bye, Bonnie. So there was a little store here too. Oh, okay. So there's an amphitheater.
What's the name of it?
What, the store?
No, the next one.
The next one.
Next to the store. Amphitheater?
Oh, amphitheater.
Are you saying amphitheater?
It's
It's amphitheater.
That's what I meant to say. What did I say?
Amphitheater.
Maybe I've always pronounced it wrong. Amphitheater?
So what's that one? Safe water for fresh or fill fresh water tank here. That's for their tank.
This place is a RVer's dream. So you can just pull up, get your hose out, get your filter out if you filter your water. It's another bunny back there. And then water's a premium when you're RVing. We go through so much drinking water. How many we've gone through many cases so far. Over 100, right?
Yeah.
Bottles of water. That's just such a waste. I would like to probably still buy those bottles of water, but maybe use one bottle and keep refilling it every day or every 2 days, maybe, as long as we can, really. That's just something that's kind of a pain too, that we have to keep going to Costco for those waters, but something that will be fixed. All right, so we're going to check out this store. Somebody said there was a store, and then I think, oh, okay, this is the amphitheater. Amphitheater. Is that right? Did I say it right? Amphitheater. Amphitheater? Is that right? Am I doing it right? Don't you want to know what goes on at this place? There's a lot of seating here. I want to know what kind of shows they put on. What you reckon's behind here? Oh, a screen for... Oh, they show movies here. Duh. For some reason I was thinking, oh, maybe they put on some kind of production or something. But sure, it's movies. And I don't see a sign. I'm guessing there's no movie. I would come here tonight and watch a movie. What kind of movie do you think they play? The Great Outdoors, maybe? Classic. I think we're lost. Dude. Did I mention I hate spiders? I just walked through a giant spider web. It was very traumatic. Here's the store. Bicycle and pull cart rentals. What a nice. Oh, we can get ice tomorrow.
We don't need ice tomorrow.
On an honor system when store is closed. Sounds fair. Some nice
Nice wood.
wood art. Look at this chime. Beautiful.
What about your drink, dude?
What? We don't have to go in if you don't want. So you had to get this. All I'm getting is this.
But I bet you're
It's
gonna
not
share
fair.
my ice cream.
And if you offer me a bite, I won't refuse. That would be rude.
I'll offer.
You can have a little bit of my Butterfinger.
Okay.
Alright.
Ronnie, there's that.
Thank
I
you.
betcha.
How was it?
It's really delicious.
Was that? What did you get? Mint chip?
I got mint chip and chocolate.
Okay, just plain chocolate, huh?
Yep.
How much was it?
It was $4.
Okay, double scoop, $4.
Mm-hmm. It's not bad. Not bad price at all.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
I'll wait till it melts.
No, I like it. Well, I don't like it when
I
it
don't know
starts
why.
melting.
I've always liked ice cream when it's at least starting to melt.
Not my thing.
Not yours. I know. I know. How did we match? I don't know.
I don't know.
Crazy. Oh, here we go. This is what I was looking for.
Ah.
I was hoping maybe. All right. Oh, so okay,
There's
it's
a
not very
spider over
sweet.
here.
Yeah. Guys, I walked through a huge spider web, and I can see a spider web here. But what I was gonna say is, I saw a playground here. Well, you go first. The thing is, you're not tall enough, so you walk through and it's fine, and then I walk through and it hits me in the face. I was hoping I could do some kind of workout here. Okay, so I can do pull-ups. Oh, cool. I can do some modified bent over rows. Maybe some kind of dips if I find the right kind of bars. Not sure, but I'd be happy with just the 2 back exercises. All right. How about you? What you gonna do?
Eat.
You.
Eat.
You gonna watch and eat ice cream?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Why don't you go into your swing? This one was built for you.
No.
All right, battery died, but we're back. So the guy at the store
Recommended.
said we got to talking with him. That's the best way to get to know things that the locals know, is if you just start striking up a little friendly conversation if you can, and then they start telling you stuff about cool stuff that most people around here wouldn't know unless they live here. This guy said he lived here for 30 years. 25 years. So he told us tomorrow go to a place called Elephant Rock. He said it's amazing.
The view is
So
amazing.
let's do it, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna go back. We definitely want to, but I asked him if you can swim there and he said no. So we want to be able to swim so we can kind of,
So we're gonna go back
Get
to
fresh.
shut-ins tomorrow,
yeah, we're going back to the
To
shut-ins.
and then go hike
Sonia's
the-
gonna swim this time. We
elephant.
inflated one tube. We need 2 though, right? We're gonna do the second one.
Sure.
And then we'll hit Elephant Rock
On our
after
way
that,
up,
and
yeah.
then we're gonna go to,
Kentucky.
I think, Kentucky and visit
Gonna-
Mammoth.
Mammoth Cave.
Mammoth, the largest cave system in the world, or something like that.
Something.
400 miles, is that right?
I don't remember.
It's
But
something like that.
it was really.
We'll let you guys know for sure when we get there. Now we're gonna enjoy our ice cream and then work out. Okay. So what am I doing exactly?
You're just gonna watch the door.
Watch the door?
Yeah, just stand right
Okay,
there.
so I'm supposed to watch the door. Okay.
You can stay there.
So I stand over here and I watch this door.
Yeah, you can cell phone.
Uh-huh. All right. I'll be here watching the door.